Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to change owner in Google Drive. So it's actually pretty simple. Let's say I want to change ownership of this file. So in order to change owner of this file, I have to right click on it, click share, then share again, and then type here the email address of the new owner. So in my case it will be this one. Then make sure he's an editor and click send. Now you share this file with him, but he's not owner. The access has been updated, as you can see. So in order to make him owner, you have to right click again on this file, share again, and then change this editor to transfer ownership. So basically we'll transfer ownership to this new owner. Then send him invitation and go over to the second account into email. And as you can see, invitation to own file 1. So we have to accept it. So click on accept. And then when the new owner accepted this file, as you can see, you can go back. I'll go to second account. So this is the new owner. And as you can see, here is owner me. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.